Do not make this weight loss mistake, because losing fat will be nearly impossible. This popular snack claims that you can eat cookies and lose weight because it only has 150 calories, but losing weight isn't just about limiting calories. It's about getting the most amount of nutrients in fewer calories. And these have 0 of the essential nutrients necessary to lose weight, such as the right kind of fat, fiber, and protein. And they're high in refined sugars, artificial ingredients, and processed flour, which provides your body with 0 nutrients, leaving you unsatisfied, low in energy, and worst of all, still hungry. An apple and some almonds, on the other hand, will keep you full, energized, and satisfied, and help boost your metabolism because you're getting protein, healthy fat, fiber, and vitamins and minerals, all working together synergistically. So don't fall for the clever marketing on this so-called health food packaging. 150 calories of this artificial processed junk is not the same as 150 calories of the right nutrients working together to support healthy weight loss. I hope you found this tip helpful. If you'd like to learn how to combine the right foods at the right times and in the right amounts so you get to your ideal weight, improve your health, and look and feel your very best without giving up your favorite foods, click below and I'd love to show you how.